hate winter. Hate it. Needs to be over. Canceled the farmer's market this morning because of this mess, which hurts my bottom line. That's a good 4 inches. And that's why I do this. But not when you can't sell it. Door was frozen shut. These guys are nice and warm in here, and it says it is 52 in here. Oh, and they're starting to eat now too. That just kicked off. Let's go see what the strawberries are doing. I don't know if y'all know it, but this greenhouse collapsed in the last bad storm we had. Made a lot of changes, so everything's happy in here. And that says it is 70 in here. Well, it's really warm in here. And these guys are doing well. There's quite a few of those. So it may be winter outside, but it is nice and toasty in my greenhouses, and I'm hoping that this is the last hurrah for the winter. We'll see. I know I don't make a lot of videos anymore. It's been crazy. I am a commercial farmer these days, so things have changed quite a bit for me and with YouTube. But most of y'all haven't seen this either. These are new. That is my propagation room, and this is going to be our harvest area and our walk-in cold storage. So we're gonna be working on this one. That one is semi-ready. I've got about half of it done, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, this is the propagation house. It is climate controlled. I'll give you a look in here too. Wow, look at all that snow. This is Memphis, Tennessee, y'all. This is insane. That's about 4 or 5 inches of snow there. Wow. It's warm in here. All right, you'll see I've got it all insulated. That is our propagation table, one of them. I am building an identical propagation table over there. Storage in the top. And last but not least, this is the largest greenhouse we have. It's 30 by 120. And things are starting to shape up in here. I'll have this side running this week. It's made of metal instead of wood like the other one. And we're hoping to have this fully populated with those plants that you just saw very shortly. God bless. Go plant some dirt, some nutrient solution, fish water, whatever you have to grow things, and we'll see you next time. Take care.